In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok favorite sound not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your TikTok app's latest version. You make sure your TikTok apps is updated. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search TikTok application, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok favorite sound not showing problem. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your TikTok apps, tap on plus icon, then tap on gallery. Select any picture or photos. Tap on next. Then tap on music or audio icon. Then tap on favorite option. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok favorite sound not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.